Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Epic Games account. Official activation step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. Go to the official Epic Games website at epicgames.com. Click sign in on the top right of the page. Choose the method you use to create your account, such as Epic Games, Google, Apple, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or Steam. Enter your login details and complete any security check if asked. If you are creating a new Epic account, click Sign Up instead of Sign In. Fill in your email address, display name, password, and required personal details. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy after reading them. Click Create Account to continue. Check your email inbox for a message from Epic Games. If you do not see it, check the spam, junk, promotions, or updates folders. Open the email and find the verification or activation button or link. Click the verification or activation link to confirm your email address. If the link opens in a different browser, make sure you are signed in to the same Epic account. Return to Epic Games.com and sign in again if the site asks you to. Go to your account settings by clicking your profile icon. Open the password and security section from the left menu. Turn on two-factor authentication if you want extra protection. Choose email authentication, SMS authentication, or an authenticator app and follow the on-screen prompts. If you are activating a console-linked account, open the Connections or Apps and Accounts section. Select accounts and confirm that your PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or Steam profile is connected. If it is not connected, click Connect and sign in to the platform account to link it. If you need to activate the Epic Games launcher, download it only from epicgames.com. Install the launcher and open it after installation finishes. Sign in inside the launcher with the same Epic account you just verified. Wait for the launcher to sync your library and account status. Open your email again if Epic prompts you for an additional verification step. Try signing out and signing back in if activation changes do not appear immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.